These are a pair of H11s that Perpotao sent us to test out, so today we're going to see how easy they are to install, and then we're going to test them out on our car. The first step is to plug the H11 connector to the car's wiring. Once the wiring is connected, the other end with the LED lights can be inserted into the H11 headlight housing. Once inserted, turn clockwise until you hear a click and see that the H11 is firmly in place. If inserted properly, this is what it should look like. Then repeat the same steps for the second H11 headlight. The entire installation only takes a couple of steps and is completely plug and play. Here's our car during the day, and now with the H11 headlights, you can see how bright they are. The LED lights are a cool 6000K white light, perfect for driving after dark and along roads that are not well lit.